Good morning, class.
Good morning, Ma'am Yana.
Shut up! Walang good sa morning.
Okay, sit down.
Okay, dahil ako ay nasa good mood, okay, hindi mo na kayo nag-quiz.
Kala ko ba walang good sa morning, Ma'am?
May gagawin kayo. Ang gagawin nyo, magka-quiz kayo. Sige,
Ma'am, parang niloloko nyo lang kami tapos hindi talaga yung
okay na yan. Kesa naman kayo, ang gawin eh. Wait lang, hatiin ko lang itong papel natin. Sabi ko sa inyo, wala magbubulungan, di ba?
teacher, wala.
Sabi mo, Ma'am, bawal mag-usap, nagbubulungan lang po kami.
Kahit namin, naririnig ako dyan. Ano? Wala talaga sa akin. Ah. Bigyan ko kayo ng mga lapis, ha? Bigyan ko kayo ng mga...
Wala ko na. Ay, nulog mo, Ma'am. Nulog mo po. Nulog mo po. Ma'am, tignan niyo po.
Ano yan?
Kinapihan niya po ako, Ma'am.
Okay, number 1 question. Hanggang 10 lang to, ha?
Ulat lang pa po namin pangalan.
What will happen when the iceberg melt? Magsagot na! Okay, ulitin ko. What will happen when the iceberg melt? Okay, number 2.
This is why you should never pick up money from your car's windshield or open
Who's-
your car door if you see this attached to it, especially in your parking lot. Because when this girl saw it on
Sino ang unang presidente ng United States? Hanggang 5 lang to, ha? Yung hanggang 6 to 10 bonus.
Ano ba yun?
5 more minutes until bedtime.
The first president of the United States. Okay, second question.
If you love the church, press the like button. If you love the Bible,
What?
press the save button. If you
What
love
is
press
the square root
If you
of
skip this video,
4?
you will go to hell.
What is the square root of 4? Girls!
How about 9 more minutes? Because
No
you're
cheating.
not- I think that's enough maybe for tonight.
I see your eyes. Wide enough to see the mean with. Ano number tayo?
6'7".
7. Number 4. Sino ang unang presidente ng Pilipinas? Ah,
Hey, sweetie, 5 more minutes until bedtime.
Hey, stop now, guys. Which one do you choose? Those who want to go to heaven and love Jesus will definitely press the follow button. If you love the church, press the like button.
okay, number 5. Who is
Save button.
the president of the...
Wait lang, Ma'am.
Ano?
Wait lang. Di pa po ako tapos
Skip
mag
this video. You will go to hell and be a person business. How about 20 more minutes?
How about 9 more minutes because you're 9?
Fine.
I think that's enough maybe for tonight.
Okay na po, Ma'am.
Okay.
35 more minutes.
What?
35.
What will happen when
I'm hungry.
the
Because you're 9. So believe it or not,
when
when I
the
was young, I didn't know how to say
iceberg
older brothers let me know. So anytime we were
iceberg
on punishment, which was
didn't
awful,
melt.
we had to stay in our room all day with no TV. So to pass time, we would come up with funny songs.
Time's up.
Wait lang, Ma'am.
I need to check all your work. 5 lang. Bonus na yung 5. Yung 6 to 10. So, dahil wala akong pang check. Gusto nyo na?
Huwag po yung gamitin yung ma'am. Lagot kayo kay principal.
Kasi sino may ballpen na red?
Ito po.
Give me all your...
Huwag na po yan, ma'am. Ito po. Nakailangan po.
Ano ba yan? Give me all your paper.
Ma'am, ako.
Thank you. You're the best. Lalagay ko na ng plus 5 ha. Supervisor kayo?
It become the...
I got so tired of them picking on me that I practiced my singing every day. The next time we were on punishment, I was ready to show them. Oh, there's nothing to do in here. Hey, let's sing that song we made the other week. Sitting at these walls, got schools and online. My brother started jumping up and down, telling me how good I sound.
May 6-7 na na. Water 6-7. What's your number 5? Oh, here.
When I was younger, I didn't know how to sing.
Oh, you got only one point.
Ma'am, ito po sagot ko sa
Kala ko plus 1. Ito yung
Ay,
plus 5.
6. Kayo yung supervisor? Magkakasipan nyo?
Ma'am, ito po sulat ko po sa inyo. Thank you, ma'am.
Nakakasipan. Labas! Yung gag ka.
Kala ko ba, ma'am, may CCTV dito lang nakakonect kay principal.
Bigay mo sa... Di ba saan ko lumabas ka?
Sabi mo dito, di ba?
Hey, let's sing that song we made the other week.
Labas. Bibigyan na, balik lang to. Okay. Ano tayo? Mag-quiz tayo.
Hula
Sige,
na po.
pasok. Mag-quiz tayo. Dahil in-stress niyo ako. Mag-drawing kayo ng tanawin.
Ay, tanawin. Tanawin. Akin yung lapis ko.
Hindi ko alam sa inyo, ha?
Thank you. Mama, ano po yung tanawin sa Tagalog?
My son had a crush on this little girl.
Tagalog na yon.
And she died.
Ma'am, hindi ka po marunong ba?
English kasi, ma'am. Ma'am, kasi English po kasi tinatanong.
View. View of the forest.
Ah, sige. Sorry ko na.
Do you all have crayon?
Yeah po.
No, we don't have, ma'am.
Kaya kinukuha niya namin yung
I said earlier, get some crayon. And now, you don't bring crayon. Now
Because I have crayons in my classroom, blah.
ay naku
In
mga
a
bata.
black and shit, blah.
Latag ka maraming yung mga bata kayo.
Wala kang aksiyo. Ang pangit ng turo mo.
Labas.
Ayaw ko lumabas. Anong gagawin mo? Para pag ako nagsabi lumabas ka rin, ha?
Ah, ganyan.
Fuck you ka! Fuck you ka!
Lalagay ko 7, 5.
Ayan na!
Sabi, gusto naman pa kasama.
Ikaw naman, 66.
Ma'am, may papakita ko sa sa'yo. Sa'yo namin ngayon.
Sige nga.
Ma'am, ito po yung talent namin. Tama na.
Okay, class. Uwian na. Mag-uwi na.
Mami, may mami